Well, unang-una, we do not deny that I have a position in government in the Philippines. Do I have power or authority? Well, not to a level that we would want to implement our projects and programs. But yes, meron akong katungkulan sa ating bansa. But my power and authority do not extend beyond Philippine shores. So kung saan man yung bansa na may interim release, ay wala tayong say doon at hindi makikinig yung gobyerno doon sa Philippine Vice President. But he will not be granted the interim release dahil he is 80 years old, he is not in good health, he's not been eating well, and he needs support from familiar people, and he needs the care of his family and loved ones. Well, kung as a lawyer, if I am to speak as a lawyer, it's all but natural for a prosecutor to oppose everything that the defense proposes. Kasi yun yung trabaho nila eh. Whether or not reasonable yun, it doesn't matter to them kasi trabaho nila ang hindi magbigay sa or magparaya sa defense team.